Is high humidity turning your medium to high porosity hair into a frizzy frustration? High porosity hair has raised cuticles that readily absorb moisture from humid air, leading to instantaneous frizz, unmanageable volume, and lack of definition. Specifically formulated for high humidity climates, where conventional products fail, the leave-in hair care collection from Mixed Media Treasures seals the cuticle, locks in essential moisture, and repels external humidity without buildup. A weightless leave-in solution that is science-backed and nature-based. A 4-step system for lasting results. First, a leave-in conditioner with babasu oil, bamboo extract, plant-based keratin, and amodimethicone. Creates a lightweight, moisturizing formula that tames frizz, enhances shine, and strengthens hair by smoothing the cuticle, locking in moisture. Babasu oil penetrates the hair shaft, offering deep hydration without greasiness. Bamboo extract boosts strength and elasticity. Amodimethicone, the only one ingredient on the entire collection that is not natural, but being a smart one, adheres to the damaged areas of the hair, conditioning and smoothing frizz. And plant-based keratin repairs and fortifies the hair shaft, resulting in softer, smoother, and more manageable hair. Follow with the hair balm for frizz control, based on ingredients such as mango butter, shea butter, candelilla wax, argan oil, camellia seed oil, olive squalane, and rosehip oil. This hair balm offers intense nourishment, smooths the hair cuticle, and provides a protective barrier against humidity, effectively taming frizz. Once you style your hair, finish with the hair oil. This blend of a botanical extract and natural oils offer comprehensive benefits including deep nourishment, reduced frizz, enhanced shine, softness and protection against environmental damage, promoting overall hair health and vitality. With key ingredients like radish seed extract, which has a unique fatty acid composition that mimics the feel and performance of silicones, adding slip and a silky texture. Natural oils like camellia japonica, seed oil, jojoba seed oil, argan oil, olive squalane, avocado oil, rosehip seed oil, shea oil, and cocoa caprylate are rich in fatty acids and vitamins that deeply penetrate the hair shaft to moisturize, soften, and condition dry or damaged hair. This final step is optional. The hair wax stick smoothens down stray and baby hairs along the hairline quickly and effectively. This wax stick has been carefully formulated to balance the styling ingredients with lightweight, nourishing natural oils and butters that provide moisture, and a natural shine allowing for soft styling and easy touch-ups without leaving a greasy residue or hard cast. With key ingredients like candelilla wax, olive-derived emollients, argan oil, camellia japonica seed oil, babasu seed oil, shea butter, mango butter, jojoba oil, castor oil, avocado oil, and vitamin E. Let's take a look at how to use the entire collection. First, shampoo, condition, and gently towel dry until damp, not dripping. Then, apply a small amount, dime to quarter size, from mid-lengths to ends, avoiding roots. Use a wide tooth comb to distribute evenly. Next, still on damp hair, apply a small amount of balm from mid-lengths to ends using praying hands or raking. Comb through with a wide tooth comb to distribute. Then style. Ensure your hair is completely dry and styled as usual. Hair oil is typically applied as a finishing step to smooth the cuticle and add shine. Pour a small amount of oil into your palm. Start with just a drop or two, the size of a pea or a dime, depending on hair length and thickness, as a little goes a long way. You can always add more if needed. Rub your palms together to spread the oil evenly across both hands and warm it up. This makes the oil easier to distribute through your hair, focusing primarily on the ends of your hair. Gently smooth your palms over the surface. Avoid the roots and scalp to prevent your hair from looking greasy. If your hair is particularly frizzy, you can work your way up to the mid-lengths. If you find some areas are still frizzy or dull, repeat the process with another drop of oil, focusing only on those specific sections. Finally, if needed, use the hair wax stick for flyaways. Pinpoint the sections with frizz or flyaways, like around your hairline. Gently glide the wax stick directly onto the flyaways, similar to how you'd use a deodorant stick. Or gently rub the tip of the stick with your fingertip to pick some up. Rub your fingers together to warm and distribute the wax, making it more pliable. Gently press and run your waxed fingertips over the stray hairs, especially around your part, hairline, or any unruly pieces, to slick them down. Now let's test the efficacy by going for a walk for 15 minutes. Today the humidity is at 85%. We are back. Definitely better when comparing with not using the products. Defy the weather with mixed media treasures, free of fragrances, parabens, phthalates, or sulfates. Shop the new line now at mixedmediatreasures.com.